Guys, come closer. See, guys. I've been on YouTube kind of jail for 3 months. And finally, on the 30th of this November, this channel will be free from copyright strike. I had two copyright strikes on the same day, 3 months back. I told the story in a live video. If you missed it, I'm going to link it up here. I followed an advice of somebody on YouTube, and it's all in that video, okay? Not a bad advice at all, but I did it my way, and my way almost cost me this channel. Whew. I remember that day I was sitting down, having fun, learning how to make Oriental rice with a group of women from my church. We used to have this women to women thing. When I got that email from YouTube, I was like, what's happening? What have I done? I had a copyright strike. And while I was still oh my God, I started heading home immediately. The meeting was over because I needed to go tell my husband. I needed to get on my laptop as well to look at it properly, because you know how laptop view is everything. And I got home only to discover there was a second one. I posted two short videos that the owners, of course, warned me about, and then legal action. And I was weak that week. And the only thing that, of course, I've been on YouTube enough to know, I acted fast. I had to go to take action. The action was for me to take the YouTube community. There's an academy, right? There's an academy. You learn, you watch the video, then they ask you questions to be sure that you understand all of those community guideline things. You take a test, and then when you pass it, they will start counting down for the 3 months. After that test, you now start counting down for your out of jail. How do I put it? Yeah. So that is the 3 months counting down that will end by the 30th of November. And I told myself at that time, trust me, in August, I was like, oh my God, I'm about to monetize. That was a month I hit my 1,000 subscribers. That was a month that I hit my 2,800 and something, 2,870 something thousand. What am I saying? 27 something thousand watch hours. So I was like, okay, it's just about 1,000 plus more. But I can even monetize on the other one, the super chat and all that, with 3,000. But after that month, my channel went down like August, September, October, where this channel was like almost dead. I was heartbroken, guys. I was still posting. I even put up some of my workshop videos. If you watch, thank you. But the truth is, now I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to finally get out of this jail. Do you know it was so bad? Oh, if you're on YouTube, you understand. It was so bad that I couldn't use advanced features, meaning I couldn't pin a post, I couldn't do live stream, I couldn't put a link, I couldn't. Oh gosh, it was like I just started the channel. Oh my gosh, don't make that mistake. Maybe I'll do another video on this long form video explaining why I got those strike. And because I don't know where the algorithm puts live videos in relation to long form videos. So I think I'm going to do another video after now on why that happened, and so that you don't do it. Now I'm just wondering, guys, I still want to get monetized this month. It's possible, right? I'm still at 2,800, and so no much progress. 2,887 watch hours. So I still need 1,000 plus more. But I know that a single video was what gave me over 2,000 watch hours in space of 2 weeks. And that was the video of Vicky James and Moses Blee's wedding, right? So I know that it takes a video. If you're listening to me and you're not on YouTube, it takes a video. Yeah, so that's why you have to keep posting. You have to keep posting. I had also planned to do like a series on my YouTube learnings in this month of November, but see, work and logo studies have not allowed me to see. Like I can't even like these videos I'm making. I'm not editing them. I'm just posting them because where's the time? Even as I'm sitting down here, I have four different clients to supervise their work and deliver this week. In fact, one one can get into the first week of December a bit, like a few days into December. But I mean, I have four different clients to satisfy this week, and they are all writing jobs. Like I have to write them, research, crack, read stuff, and then. So I'm very grateful that you're watching it, but I want you to know that nothing is easy. YouTube is not easy itself, right? I just realized that okay, I'll be out of this whole mess I put myself in. And if you didn't know, if you have um co- three community strikes, YouTube may pull down your video, your channel entirely. Like you don't own it anymore. It happened recently. That same lady that I got that advice from, it happened to her. And that person is Sonia Onoja. She's one of the, she had three channels. So her main channel where I learned that from was her Vibe with Sonia channel. She talked about how to gain 1,000 subscribers in 3 days and all that. I did it, but I extended mine to 2 weeks. So I didn't take her advice per se, but it worked for me, more than worked for me. And that happened and all of that. I said it in all that video that I linked up. So nothing is easy, but the thing is, I've chosen my easy. It was 2017 when I said I'm done with all of this office work, coming to work even on days I feel very fatigued, I feel not motivated because I'm a super creative. Sometimes the creativity is in the night, in the afternoon, or I don't need a conventional office. I need to get like under a tree and sit down and write or think. But being confined to a seat wasn't just something I wanted, and I said, okay, I was going to work on myself for myself. And that was how I revamped my company and started running it, better and all of that. But I chose to work from home for a reason. I chose to do my writing, PR, online stuff because I love it. It fits my personality. Okay. So nothing is easy. So even as I've chosen my path for a long time, I teach online. I go for speaking engagement. These things I do online get me a lot of speaking engagement. Even though this year I haven't really gone for any speaking, have I gone for any? I'm not sure. But I've just been invited for one that will hold in December of 2020. And it's the first December 20th rather. And it's the first time I'm ever invited to speak in my city. This I moved to Europe 4 years ago, so this is like my new city for me. And this is the first time anyone is asking me to come speak, and I'm really grateful for that. What I'm trying to say is, whatever you're doing is going to look challenging. It's going to look like that thing even wants you out, doesn't want you to succeed and all that. But don't give up. Don't don't give up. That was also why, even though I started YouTube in 2017, and then I came back and started this 2 years ago, I'm not giving up. I don't have any YouTube channel that is monetized yet, but I'm not giving up because I'm here for the long haul. I know where I came to share about money, about which are my biggest struggles: money, business, and opportunities. They've been my biggest struggles. And I'm not ashamed to share about them, about the things I'm learning about them, about the things I used to struggle with about them in the past, the things I'm learning about them now, and the things I want and how I want them to be for me in the future. That's what we're talking about on this channel. And I want to encourage you to keep doing what you're doing. There's a reason why you chose that path. Dig it. Keep digging it. So I don't have it all figured out. I came to tell you also that you can be on a good path, but you can be punished for it. So you can make life is full of rules and regulations, and that's to guide us, right? So on this YouTube street, it has not been easy. I'm going to have to do more videos and share with you my journey on YouTube for 7 years. I've been here for 7 years, not on this channel, but I've been on YouTube for 7 years, and I have several channels at this point. I'm restless like that. Anyway, but that's what I came to say. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.